Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, you might be checking out Skool, and maybe you're wondering, what is Skool? Is it legit? Can you really make money from it? What's all the rage, right? Or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it all out, right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, you can click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've literally reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Skool to find out whether this is the good or if this is the ugly, and maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, all right? Now, what is Skool? Okay, now Skool is a very large community style platform, right? So think of Facebook communities, but they're basically paid communities. Now, they're paid and free, but a lot of them are actually paid, right? So if you came to skool.com, you can come here and it says discover communities, right? So you can search for literally anything, right? Communities in business, arts and craft, travel, finance, productivity, gaming, and pets. And this is why this is so cool. So as a regular user, you could come on here. You can find communities on whatever you're interested in. So maybe you're interested in music production. So it might be, music money, right? For example, maybe you're interested in e-commerce, and maybe you could join this particular, membership right here. All right. Maybe you're interested in improving your marriage, right? Maybe you're interested in, family, for example. Okay, maybe you're interested in, and there's so many. If I just scroll down here, right? Style, how to actually increase your style, right? And some of them are free. There are free communities here. Some of them are paid. Some of them are free to enter, but if you want to upgrade to a bigger part of the course or get more one-on-one training or get more benefits and things like that, then you would have to pay. Okay, so for example, if I was to scroll down here and I was to find something on for lack of a better example, right? Magnetize your man. Okay, so maybe you are a lady and you want to get ongoing coaching on how to continue to magnetize your man or get a man, for example. You can click in here, and this will be a community about all of that, basically, right? So you can see right here, and you can see there are 489 members. Okay, there's a support email right there, and you can kind of join right here. All right, so if I was to join the group, then you'd have to sign up for it, and this might be a free or paid community. Right now, let me show you some of my communities that I'm a part of so that you can understand how this works. All right, so as a Skool user, you can, let's just say you join this community, and this is a paid community, right? High Achiever Society. So let me show you how it works. It kind of looks like Facebook, but everything is private, right? Which is nice. So you're not seeing all these ads and things like that. And there's a discussion wall right here. Okay, and you can get the classroom sessions in here. So if you upgrade, it might be free or it might be paid. A lot of them are paid though, because that's the whole idea of Skool, and we'll talk about that in a second on how you can make money from communities. But you can see right here that there are different classes right here that you can go through. All right, and so for example, if this is a basic class, if I was to go in here, you're going to see that this is broken down like this, right? And start here, for example, and you can see all these different classes. So you can click in, and then you can watch the class, for example, and then you can move forward, things like that. So as a course creator or someone who has an expertise in a particular area, you could create your own community, right? And so what you could do is, for example, let's just say you're an expert in cars, or you're a doctor or a vet or an affiliate marketer, and you wanted to create a community here. You could create a Skool community and basically have people come here and kind of chat, right? And then you can send people to the classroom. You could have your base classes, then you can upgrade them, and you can say, look, level 2, level 3, level 4. If you want to upgrade, then you're going to have to make a purchase. They've got a calendar here where you can, display all of your live events, right? So maybe you have different live events every single week people can join. So if they were to click on this, they could just add it straight to the calendar. This might be a Zoom call, for example. So everything is here, right? Then they've got, all the members and things like that. And, you can chat to people, and it's really cool. And it shows you how many members are in that particular community and that sort of thing, right? So it's a great place to build community. That's what it's all about. Okay, now as someone who may potentially want to make money through a community, how does this work, right? So with Skool, it's $99 a month. It's not expensive, and you basically get access to the whole platform. You can create your own community. It can be paid, it can be free. It's kind of like a membership website as well, right? So if you're an expert in something and you want to create a membership, you can do so here, right? So for example, if you're an expert in dog training, this could be your dog training community. People could come here for free, and if they wanted to, they can upgrade or they can pay for higher level information, right? And then they can come to your classroom and see the different classes that you have. This can be all pre-recorded, and then you could have a calendar where you go live once or twice a week or every day if you want. It's completely up to you, right? And there are multiple ways that you can manage your community. There could be a free section, a paid section. Very, very cool, okay? The one thing that you have to understand about building a community on Skool, though, is they don't teach you how to necessarily build the community. This is a community platform, right? And you're going to have to go and figure out how to build it yourself, if that makes sense, okay? So you do have to learn how to drive traffic to your community. You do have to learn. So for example, yes, you know, if your community is popular, some people might stumble upon it here, but you don't want to leave it to chance. What you want to do is you want to learn to build your own community, and you want to learn how to drive traffic and eyeballs to that community, right? So for example, like this one right here, you know, the owners of this, I'm assuming that it's this lady right here, she would have to learn how to drive traffic or an audience that are interested in learning how to build a better relationship with their man to this particular community. Now, unfortunately, Skool is not going to teach her that. There may be a course in here where she can join it and, you know, she can learn how to do that. But essentially, you're going to have to learn to do that. All right. So that's the only disadvantage of Skool. It's a community. It's a community platform. You can add your membership, you know, profiles here. You can have your classes, your courses, you can charge people and things like that, but they don't necessarily show you how to grow it. Now, there's a lot of free information online from a lot of Skool experts that have done very, very well, so you could learn from them. But I just want to be 100% transparent. They kind of focus more on the platform, and you have to go and find the information yourself elsewhere, and there's a lot of it though. But again, you're gonna have to put in a lot of work to build out your community and to fill out your, you know, your courses here and things like that. Okay, so it does still require a lot of work, but as a platform, I think it's very cool. It's not expensive, $99 a month to have a membership website, a community, you know, live training, and be able to receive payments from your students. I think is really, really cool. All right, so if you want to check out skool.com, and if you're an expert and you're ready to build, then you can just come here and you can build a community, or you can just check it out for cool communities that you may want to join for free, or maybe you want to pay for some of this great information as well. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to check out Skool, just skool.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make money online. Maybe you're not an expert yet. Remember that building a community requires you to be an expert in something already. So you need to be able to share value. You have to be able to you know, create a course, a video training program that you can upload onto Skool in order for you to build that value, right? So maybe you're not quite there yet. You're like, this looks really cool, but maybe you're not an expert in anything just yet. Maybe you still need to learn how to do it. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for me, there was one thing that changed my life completely. I've made more than $2 million with this particular strategy. I work full-time from home. It changed my life, right? And this is a great strategy for beginners because you don't necessarily need to be an expert in something in order to make money from it. So if you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass. Just click the link all the way at the bottom, and you can check it out step by step if you would like for free. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Skool, and I hope to see you on another video review very, very soon. Take care.